we only have like 2 computers and 300 volunteers, it makes sense to have a tablet here, but it does get entered.
It does, yeah. So you've got a more permanent record,
yes,
as it were.
Absolutely. Well, these here, because if there's these are the fireboxes, so this is where you
get them out quickly.
Yeah. Part of our fire procedure. This one must be new, so I haven't seen Swan. Wasn't here a few days ago. So let's find out why the Swan's here. Wasn't here the other day.
So you have black swans over here.
Okay, here we go. Okay, this was found at a Newman mine site. Right wing dislocation. So it's a fully grown male with dislocated wing, and it's been given medication, and it should. So. Oh, the animals are messy. We spend all our time scrubbing and cleaning.
Then you give them food and it ends up all that.
I know. So this is quite easy. This is really easy. About 3 months ago, everything was full. We were absolutely run off our feet. So it's quite a nice break. So we can go and cook our quite nice as well. But they're not.